This is the button we will make this time. Start by inserting the button Maxi block, then add your text. Next, go to Settings and toggle the typography. Change the font weight to 700. Go to the button background next and disable the background. Now open the Canvas tab and toggle height and width settings. Here we want to enable the Set Width to Fit Content option. Now let's add a background layer for the canvas. Open the background options and choose to add a background color layer. Make the layer black and change the width and the height to 0. In the background position settings, let's set the layer 50% from the top and 50% from the left. Now the time is for the hover animation. Toggle the hover state first, then set the width and height 100% on hover. We want to change the text on hover too. Go to Settings, toggle Typography and enable Typography Hover, then change the text to white. Go to the Advanced tab now and toggle the transform settings. Select Translate and choose the background layer. We want to center the layer, so we are going to add -50% for the horizontal and vertical values. Looks much better now. Finally, go to the Canvas tab and open the border settings. Let's add a 4px solid border around the canvas, and we are done. Thanks for watching.